Just when it looked like action cameras had reached a performance ceiling, the rumor mill started pointing towards something bigger. Not another incremental update, but a possible new flagship tier from DJI. If the leaks are even partially accurate, the DJI Osmo Action 7 Pro could become one of the most important cameras. While DJI has yet to officially acknowledge the existence of an Osmo Action 7 Pro, industry watchers increasingly expect the company to expand beyond the standard action lineup. The strategy would make sense. The action camera market is becoming more premium, with brands no longer competing solely on durability and stabilization, but on image quality, AI processing, and creator-focused workflows. Rumors suggest the DJI Osmo Action 7 Pro could build upon the expected Action 7 platform while introducing a more advanced imaging system. The biggest speculation centers around a larger sensor, potentially retaining the square format philosophy, but delivering improved dynamic range and significantly better low-light performance. Some reports indicate DJI may target up to 15 stops of dynamic range, bringing action cameras closer than ever to compact cinema cameras in challenging lighting conditions. Video performance is also expected to be a major selling point. Industry discussions point toward 8K recording at up to 60 frames per second, alongside 4K at 240 frames per second slow motion capture. However, the more meaningful upgrade may be improved image processing rather than resolution alone. Faster sensor readout could reduce rolling shutter artifacts, while next-generation AI noise reduction may allow cleaner footage in night scenes and indoor environments. Another area receiving attention is stabilization. Rock-steady technology has become one of DJI's strongest assets, and the Action 7 Pro is expected to introduce a more predictive stabilization engine capable of analyzing movement before it occurs. This would particularly benefit mountain bikers, motorsport creators, and action filmmakers shooting in highly unpredictable environments. Competition is becoming increasingly aggressive. The recently launched GoPro Mission 1 Pro has generated significant discussion thanks to its focus on computational imaging, enhanced battery efficiency, and professional-grade creator tools. Meanwhile, leaks surrounding the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 suggest substantial improvements in AI-assisted framing, HDR processing, and image quality, with some reports pointing toward a larger sensor than previous generations. This creates a fascinating battle. GoPro continues to leverage its ecosystem and brand recognition. Insta360 is pushing AI innovation at a rapid pace, and DJI appears focused on balancing imaging quality, stabilization, and usability. If the Action 7 Pro arrives with the rumored specifications, it could become DJI's strongest challenge yet to both competitors. Thanks for watching. The DJI Osmo Action 7 Pro remains firmly in rumor territory, but the direction is becoming increasingly clear. Bigger performance, smarter stabilization, and stronger low-light capability appear to be the priorities. The question is simple. If these rumors become reality, would you choose DJI, GoPro Mission 1 Pro, or Insta360 Ace Pro 3? Let us know below.